Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening your campaign and selecting Manual CPC as the bid strategy so you control individual keyword bids. Once done, set the daily budget and target locations that match your audience. This focuses spend. Make sure conversion tracking is active and assigned to one primary action, because bids will optimize around conversions. Now select ad groups and seed keywords with clear intent. Do this to establish baseline traffic and measurable results before making bid changes. You now analyze keyword metrics, CTR, average CPC, and conversion rate, to decide which bids to change and why each matters. Once done, raise bids on keywords that convert profitably to capture more volume, and reduce bids on costly, low-converting terms to protect budget. Make sure to apply bid modifiers for devices, locations, and time of day so your bid reflects real value shifts. This prevents wasted spend. Monitor changes over a 14-day window to judge. You finish by running experiments or drafts to validate bid changes without risking the whole campaign. This shows causal impact. Once done, monitor quality score and landing page relevance, improvements their lower CPCs and boost performance. Make sure to review conversion tracking and budget caps if results stall. If impressions are low, check bids, keywords, and search volume. If conversions drop, verify tracking and landing pages. This final review ensures stable performance and scalable growth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.